Good morning, students. Now we are going to see the next concept, coefficient of variation. In the 9th standard, you studied about measures of dispersion. Here, measures. Now we are studying about measures of central tendency. We are studying measures of central tendencies, and we already in 9th standard dispersion, mean, median, mode. That's படிச்சிருப்பீங்க. Here, why we need this concept? For that, they give the explanation. Comparing two data. Comparison of two data in terms of measures of central tendency and dispersion. And use பண்ணி 9th standard studied measures of dispersion. Now we are studying central tendency. முடிச்சிட்டோம். That exercise 8.1. If the data are of different units, for that they give example. Mean it is kg, weight, price. Standard deviation in weight for weight kg, price it is given in the rupees. Here we cannot able to compare the two quantity in different units. So for that we need the coefficient of variation. So the coefficient of variation means for comparing two or more data for corresponding changes, the relative measure of standard deviation is called coefficient of variation. Here we use coefficient of variation. How it is obtained coefficient of variation? எப்படி நம்ம obtain பண்றோம்னா, it is given as coefficient of variation of a data is obtained by dividing the standard deviation by the arithmetic mean. By dividing the standard deviation by arithmetic mean, and it is given expressed in terms of percentage. In terms of percentage, the formula is given as coefficient of variation is equal to sigma by x bar into 100%. Coefficient of variation is given as sigma by x bar into 100%. So for comparing two or more data for corresponding changes, the relative measure of standard deviation is called coefficient of variation. It is obtained by dividing the standard deviation by the arithmetic mean. It is given in terms of the percentage. So for that they give the example. For this, the data with lesser coefficient of variation, for this concept will be analyzed in the 6th, 7th and 8th sum. The data consistent, stable, like that. So for that now we are going to do the sum in exercise 8.2. So now take exercise 8.2. So coefficient of variation is given as sigma by x bar into 100%. Now exercise. Okay. Now first sum. They give the standard deviation and the mean of a data are 6.5 and 12.5. So 6.5, 12.5, the standard deviation, first one, mean. Standard deviation 6.5, mean equal to 12.5. We have to find the coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation means we have to divide the standard deviation by mean. So write given. Solution. This is under 2 mark question only. So standard deviation comma sigma is equal to 6.5. Mean comma x bar is equal to 12.5. standard deviation sigma equal to 6.5, mean x bar equal to 12.5. You have to find the coefficient of variation. So coefficient of variation we can write it as C dot V is equal to sigma by x bar into 100. That is equal to sigma value, it is given as 6.5 by 12.5 into 100. Both in the numerator and denominator you have only one decimal places, so leave the decimal places and write it as. So 65 by 125 into percentage. Lastly you write in the answer you can. So cancel in the 25 table, 4 times 5 times, cancel panningina 30. So the answer is 52%. So answer, coefficient of variation is equal to 52%. Just apply the formula. Okay, second sum. The standard deviation and the coefficient of variation of a data are. So standard deviation is given, coefficient of variation are 1.2 and 25.6. You have to find the value of the mean. So we can continue. So solution, what are given in the question, you write. Solution, standard deviation comma sigma is equal to 1.2. Coefficient of variation, is equal to C dot V, 25.6. We can write it as, write full form, coefficient of variation is equal to 25.6. Now we have to find the mean. We know the coefficient of variation formula. So write sigma by x bar into 100% is equal to 25.6. So sigma, it is given 1.2 by x bar into 100, that is 25.6. I need x bar. So x bar angattu kondu vaanga. It is in the denominator, while it goes to right hand side in the numerator. Now numerator it is 25.6 in right hand side, bring it to the left hand side, it comes in the denominator. So 1.2 by 2.56 into 100% is equal to x bar. This 100% is equal to x bar. Appa x bar equal to, the unknown you should be right in the left hand side. 1.2 by 25.6 into 100. So both in the numerator and the denominator you have only one decimal place, leave that pointer. So 12 by 256 into 100, that is equal to, you can cancel in the fourth table. So 3, 6 4s are 24, 64. Again you cancel in the fourth table. This will become 25 times, this is 60. So totally you are getting the answer as 3 into 25. So that is equal to 75 by 60. 75 by 60, while dividing you get the answer as 4.687. This is ordinary division only. So while dividing you get the answer as 4.687. Approximately you can write it as 4.69. So answer, mean comma x bar is equal to 4.6. This is easy concept only. You can easily write the formula and apply it. If the mean and coefficient of variation of a data are 15 and 48, mean and coefficient of variation. So, two things they are giving, mean, coefficient of variation, 15 and 48. Find the value of the standard deviation. So, write solution. Solution, mean comma x bar is equal to 50. Next, coefficient of variation, is equal to 48. We have to find the value for standard deviation. Coefficient of variation, we know the formula, so write sigma by x bar into 100 is equal to 48. Sigma by x bar, sigma by की ஒரு கோடு போடுறீங்க, அதே மாதிரி x bar, x போட்டு ஒரு கோடு, ரெண்டு கோடு அப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா x bar எங்க வரும்ன்றது தெளிவா இருக்கும். So it is in the denominator. Substitute the value sigma by 15 percentage into 100 percentage equal to 48. Here we want to find the sigma value. அப்ப sigma வச்சுட்டு மட்டும் வச்சுட்டு you bring the remaining terms to the left hand side. 48 into 15 by 100. That is equal to 48 into 15 by 100, that is 720 by 100. Cancel 1 0, that is 7.2. Sigma equal to 7.2. So answer standard deviation is equal to the third question. The question they are asking standard deviation. So answer standard deviation is equal to 7.2. This is under 2 mark question. Equal to 7.2. Then now fourth question. Fourth question, n equal to 5, x bar equal to 6, sigma x squared equal to 765. What is the coefficient of variation? So, solution, n equal to 5, x bar, that is mean comma x bar equal to mean comma x bar is equal to 6. Sigma x squared is equal to 765. We have to find the coefficient of variation. So now write the formula. Coefficient of variation, comma, C dot V, or you can write it as C, or you can write the formula directly. Sigma by x bar into 100. That is equal to sigma x bar value, it is given as 6. 6 into 100. Standard deviation is not given, so we have to find standard deviation. Take it as first equation. Now we calculate the standard deviation to find sigma. Appa sigma kandupidukku. Sigma equal to standard deviation is equal to sigma x squared by n minus sigma x by n whole square. That is equal to whole square. That is equal to sigma x square value it is given within square root. That is 765 by n value. N is 5. X sigma x by n. That means we can take it as x bar. X bar the formula sigma x by n. So that is equal to 765 by 5 minus x bar. The x bar value it is given as 6. X bar value it is given as 6, so write it as 6 square. That is equal to 765 by 5. Cancel in the 5 table. 1 5 is 5. 25 3. 153 minus 36. That is equal to square root of 117. This is the value for sigma. Now we have to find the square root for 170. So 170 from the last ones place you have to split it into two digits. So 1 1 2 comma 1 ones are 1. Subtracting the answer will be 0. Write the next digit. Next two digits 70. Multiply by 2. 2 பக்கத்துல 1 போட்டாலே 21 தான் வரும், 17 வராது. So keep on. We are writing the remaining digits. So add one 0. ஒரு 0 போட்டுட்டு there are no other digits. So keep on decimal point. Now add the zeros. 2 0 pair தான் add பண்ணணும். So 1700. Now multiply this one 20. 8 times போட்டீங்கன்னா 8 8s are 64. 8 2s are 60. Now subtracting the answer is 36. Now multiply by 2. So the answer is 260. Now add 2 zeros. 260 இங்கே போட்டீங்கன்னா it is able to do only one time. One time தான் போட முடியும். அதுவே 2000 something வந்துடும். So 2161. Subtract பண்ணீங்கன்னா the remainder number will be 9 3 4. Here is 1. 1 percent. Okay. Now after point add another one digit we will find. So now multiply by 2. So 2 ஆல multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா the answer will be 1 2 is 2. 8 2s are 16. Again 1 2. If you multiply means for if you continue for 6 times last digit 14 இருக்கு. அப்ப 6 2s are 12 பண்ணலாம். அப்ப 6 times போட்டீங்கன்னா the answer will be 1 2 9 7 5 6. So after the point we are getting to 3 digits. So this is enough. So that is equal to the answer is 10.816. So 100 தாண்டி இருக்கிறதுனால நமக்கு answer 10.816. Now you therefore sigma equal to this one. Using 1, that is first equation. First equation we are having coefficient of variation or C dot P. Coefficient of variation is equal to sigma standard deviation by x bar value it is given as 6. So by 6 into 100 percentage. That is equal to sigma value 10.816 by 6 into 100. So if you divide it by 6 table, the answer will be we can multiply by 100. This will become 100,081.6 by 6. Now divide it by 6. The answer will be 180.27. This is under ordinary division only. Divide panna because for square root only I am doing by 6. 1 6 4. You can cancel in two table cancel panni 3 divide pannalum okay, it is okay only. 8 6 8 are 48. Next numbers are 1. We cannot divide, so add 0. Point, so 6. 6 2s are 12. Again it is 4. 0. 6 6 are 36. Again 4. So it is continuous like this. So we can write it as 186. Again 6 times. 6 6 are 36. Remainder 4. So that is why I approximately write it as 180.27. So answer, coefficient of variation is equal to variation is equal to 180.27%. Apply the formula. எது கேட்டிருக்காங்களோ அதை கண்டுபிடிங்க. Find the coefficient of variation of, just they give the number of observation 24, 26, 33, 37, 29, 31. First we arrange in the ascending order. Coefficient of variation of mean, standard deviation, everything you have to find. So arranging in ascending order. We have 24, 26, 29, 31, 33, 37. We have to find mean and standard deviation. For that we use the tablet column. So the numbers are 24, 26, 29, 31, 33, 37. So for finding mean and standard deviation, I draw the diagram like this. So xi value, I want to choose the mean value, the assumed mean. For assumed mean, we have to take the middle value. I take the value as 29. Any value you can take it, either 29 or 31. I take this one as assumed mean. So So inside you wrote this one. Let the assumed mean. Here no class interval. So no need to write C. Let the assumed mean, comma, capital A is equal to 29. So here you write it as 29. So here middle near the assumed mean write it as 0. 0 மேல இருக்கிறது negative. So here write it. 24 minus 29, the value is minus 5. 26 minus 29, minus 3. Down we are having 2, 4, 8. So the negative value is minus 8, positive value is 40. Next, di square. 5 ways are 25. This is all positive only. 9, 0, 4, 4 fours are 16, 8 eights are 64. So you have to write it as sigma xi, that is equal to, if you add all these numbers, you will get the answer as 180. Sigma di equal to 6. Sigma di square equal to 180. Now we have to find mean, standard deviation. So mean comma x bar is equal to sigma xi by n. Here number of observation is given as 6. So you have to write it as 180 by 6. Since number of observations is comma n equal to 6. Comma n equal to 6. That is equal to 30. Therefore x bar equal to 30. Now you have to find standard deviation. Upper standard deviation comma standard deviation comma sigma equal to sigma di squared by n minus sigma di by n whole square within the square. So that is equal to sigma di square value is 180 by 6 minus 6 by 6 whole square. That is equal to 180 by 6 minus 1. So take 6 as LCM. 118 minus 6 within square root. That is 112 by 6. So you are dividing 112 by 6, the answer will be 18.67. Now you have to find the square root for 18.67. So for 18.67, 4 4 are 60. Subtracting 2. 0.8. Write the next 2 digits. 267. So 8 3 times போட்டீங்கன்னா 3 3s are 9, 8 3s are 24. Subtracting, the answer is 80. Now add 2 0. Multiply by 2. 126. Sorry. 6. 86. Near 86, you have to write the number. It means here 18 is coming. So multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, remainder 1, 1724. So after the decimal place, we are getting the value 2. So this can be written as 4.32. Therefore sigma is this one. Standard deviation sigma equal to this one. Now write coefficient of variation. So coefficient of variation is equal to sigma by x bar into 100. percentage. Sigma value 4.32. This is 30 into 100. So cancel 1 0. Multiply, divide பண்ணீங்கன்னா 1.44 into 10. So this can be written as 14.4%. Answer. Coefficient of variation is equal to 14.4%. Okay, thank you students.